Ooh, yeah, you don't want to do that.
What should I put on?
All right, well, let's take a look. So the feeder looks like it's
Thanks
really
for
easy
telling
to
us
get
about
out.
this. Saxton.
See one that's right there. Bunch of pollen on
So
it.
stick the hive tool right between there and break that. Let me show you. Right this way.
Oh.
Try to break it down in there. Good, and kind of push it. That. Okay, now get this one. Pull it out and set it down next to the hive. Good job. Perfect. Now why don't you take this tool between these, so 1, 2, 3, put it there and push, make it sideways.
They like you.
That?
Yep. And then do the same thing on the other side. Break it enough.
Certain companies will carry it.
Oh, see it? Go ahead and keep trying. See how I did that, where I kind of twisted it sideways?
This bee's rough.
Oh yeah, I've seen a bunch of them.
Okay.
It's gonna sting me.
Coleson, you're fine. You're fine.
Oh, it's already stung me, but it didn't get to my skin. First one, that didn't stung me. Can you pull that out?
Your glove got some. Okay, you're fine.
At least I didn't get hurt.
So this one, it means this hive was this year. You're not going to be stung. Okay, let's pull this frame out. Have it on both sides. Do you need a little help?
Yeah.
They're coming out. Hey.
These ones are a little excited, aren't they?
Yep. He's like, hey, we were sleeping here.
Okay, so grab this and don't worry about getting stung. Do not drop the frame. Just go slow and calm. Even if you get stung, it might hurt a little bit, but you're going to be fine. Good. Yep. Straight up. Oh, this one's got a broken frame at the bottom.
Can you help me? My fingers are about to drop it.
Okay.
I think I see a queen cap.
And those are brood. Those are drones. I mean. Oh, here's the queen.
Where? Where?
Does anybody want to see a queen? See one
Where
right
is
there.
it? Dad, where is it?
Right here. See this one right here, the long one with the
Oh,
big circle on her abdomen
cool.
or her thorax, whatever.
But where's the thorax?
Anybody want to see a queen? Yep. Queen is right here. She's a little bit longer and has a big roundish thorax right there.
That should I pull
Oh,
out
yeah.
this
See
one
her?
now?
Yeah.
That should I pull out this one?
Nope.
See him with this.
So she's right here, moving
Oh,
that
Dad, I
way.
see honey dripping.
Do you see her right here?
She's right there. Longer body facing this direction. Do you see her?
Oh, that's right there.
Yep.
Yeah, yep.
That's her.
That's her.
Sometimes when I'm looking for her, I'll just kind of blur my eyes because she moves around this way, like between all the cells, whereas the workers are usually focused in one area.
Oh,
So
where did she go now?
she's right here.
Right there. Okay. Yeah.
But I guess theoretically we still want to see an egg, right?
Eggs, right.
So I'm going to turn this over the hive so if she falls, she goes in the hive. Most of these are already capped. So should I grab the next one over? Alright, let's check the next frame also. See, I'm going to go real slowly so I don't bump them off or scrape them on the next frames.
No, come this direction.
This way. And we got for a sec. Let's move all these back. There we go. Need to loosen it or do you want to? Squish them. So ready?
No, should I hold this?
Do you think you can hold it? Then go ahead. Just tell me if you're having a problem because you do not want to drop it.
I see some nectar and honey.
Let me grab it from you so we can look for eggs. Okay, these ones have some eggs in them.
There you go.
Okay,
Okay.
Coulson, let's get this slowly put back. Okay, Coulson, how many of these frames look like they have lots of bees on them? I see one, two, three,
3,
maybe four.
4, yeah.
Four that are strong. And then let's slowly move this back. See, this is where I always get nervous when I'm putting them back because it's so tight with their comb
You're right.
that I'm worried about smashing them. Oh, like that. Sorry, lady.
Oh my gosh.
We pulled the feeder out, didn't we?
Yes.
And this one has so much propolis in the box that it's hard to do anything. You're okay to
Stop.
stop, yeah?
Yeah.
Do we have enough
You want to
space?
clean